celebrating the spirit of more than 30 schools across northern Clackamas County. This is NCSD TV.
Hey, check it out. Did you know that the Sabin-Schellenberg Career Technical Center has its own salon right on campus? We're here today, and look at, there are haircuts going on, facials, manicures, pedicures. It's client day right here at the salon. Let's check it out.
They do excellent here. Yeah, really good work.
What are we having done?
A collagen pedicure.
Collagen pedicure.
Sounds complicated.
Now, is this client cooperating with you?
No, this is Kiki,
Okay.
and she has 4 different styles of hair. So this hair is 2C, which is a little bit wavy. This is 2B, which is more curly.
Okay.
And then in the back we have 3C and 4A, which is more of a very super coily hair. So we get to learn on more styles of hair.
So Kiki has 4 styles of hair on this one head.
Yes.
How many styles of hair do I have? Oh, just one. Okay. Okay, I know you're busy right here. You're helping out your student. What do we got going on here?
Oh, we're just going through the haircut and just checking her blending and just checking for any corners that might have missed. She did a great job. She blended it beautifully.
Looks like it to me.
So we're just kind of doing the finishing touches and just checking everything, and then we'll send him on his way.
Bennett, you like what you see? Yeah, it looks really good. Looks good to me. Lead instructor Jerry Davis, tell us what's going on today.
So we have our client day, our weekly client day at Sabin-Schellenberg, and we have Daisy here doing highlights on a client. So she's busy with those foils, and then we have people getting a collagen spa pedicure with stone massage. We have people getting men's haircuts over there, so we have a little of everything.
And clients
Going
can just
on.
sign up. Members of the community can sign up
Yes.
for this once a week.
Yes, the hard part is it's between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. when the students are here.
Right.
But yes, we have people that take days off just to come in here.